Alright, and welcome back to another hacking tutorial from Stealth Data Zero. In our last couple of videos, we were doing reconnaissance, information gathering, and tracking. So basically, all of the things that you might need to do before the hack. So basically, the stages of hacking are reconnaissance, exploitation, which is getting into the system, and then post-exploitation, making sure that you can get back into the system and that you remain undetected and you get what you needed from the hack. So again, there's reconnaissance, gaining information, finding out what you need, what kind of OS it is, what kind of device it is, so you know what exploits to use, what kind of payload you need to make. And then, of course, you do tracking and locating of people and things of that nature also as well to gain reconnaissance on them. Maybe their favorite coffee shop is their password's name or something like that. So here we're going to do Seeker, which is a great little script which will help you track and locate people with a little bit of social engineering. So it's a built-in PHP server, uses ngrok. So basically no port forwarding needing. And this tool is just a proof of concept tool. It's just a basic page, and it's very easy to use. And here's the commands here. So here's the git clone. So you just want to copy and paste that to your terminal, and then copy and paste each of these commands to your terminal, and you'll be good to go. And here's the screenshot. So basically it just takes you to a web page, and if they click yes, it will give you their IP address, location, and accuracy. So go ahead and git clone that with that command here. And you can see that I've already done so right here, secret file. So you just want to change directory to that file. ls. Then you want to do the installation with the chmod 777 install.sh, and then you want to run the installation file. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to start the file by doing python seeker.py. And there's a new version available. I'm just going to skip the update for now. So it's starting the PHP server, it's starting ngrok, and it gives you a URL. Now this URL is what you need to send to your victim. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser on a phone with a VPN on, just to protect my privacy. And it also has GPS spoofing as well, so none of the information gathered here is going to be accurate. And that is one way you can guard against things like this and guard against people tracking you using GPS spoofers and VPNs. But we will demo it and see what kind of data we pull up here. Now, it pulls up the IP address, the location, and it's very accurate. Now, the website says near you, and it's like a test prototype website, and it says try it out, and you just click it, and if you click it, then it will allow you to get their information. So it's very easy to social engineer someone to use this website. It looks very good. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit continue. So it has a globe spinning, and it just asks if it can use your location, and it says thank you for trying our test product. And as you can see, you get a longitude, a latitude, an IP address, the browser type which you can use to find exploits, the version of Android they're running, or whatever version of Windows or Linux or whatever the case may be they're running. So you can use that to find exploits. Of course, you can find exploits via browser. Browser exploits and getting information from the browser. So this is all about reconnaissance and information gathering. So basically what you want to do is gather as much information on the target as possible, and then use that to either exploit the target or make a payload for the target. So this is the website. I'm going to see if it'll pull up for me. And as you can see, it says near you, meet people near you. And it has like a little space and a spinny globe, and it just says coming soon, and it asks for your location. So that's the website. It looks a lot better on the phone. I don't know if it's still loading. Right there it is. There's the globe. And you would just click this, and it will give you information. I'm not going to go ahead and click that because I don't have a VPN or proxy running on my box right now. Normally I do, and you should always have a VPN or proxy running when hacking. But as you can see, it gives you IP address, longitude and latitude, and all of that good stuff. And gives you the platform, the OS, and all of that, which you can use to find exploits. You can also use the IP address to tell the exploit where to go, and then you can also track them by putting these longitude and latitude numbers. If you put those into Google Maps, it will show you exactly where they're at. So you can actually copy and paste this link here with Google Maps, and it will show you their location as well. So that's how you use the tool Seeker. Very simple, very easy to use. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content. And as you can see, right here is the longitude and latitudes that it has here. And it will just show you that on Google Maps, so you can do the street view and get all that good information as well. So again, we're doing reconnaissance, information gathering. I'll go over a few more tools like Maltego and stuff like that, which are really good for gathering information on people. And then of course using things like Google, Facebook, Twitter, and all of that good stuff as well helps gather information. But again, hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content. And as you can see, it gives you extremely accurate information, IP address, browser info, which you can use to exploit the browser, and then the device info. And then of course I have a spoofed location, but that's all good to go. So hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content.